Even in Hyderabad, we ourselves are not knowing all these people. And they could identify the diamonds from Hyderabad and made them at one place. That's an excellent thing what Machine Maker is doing for the manufacturing industry.
Ranga Rao Nuthakki, Chairman and Managing Director, Sai Deepa Rock Drills. The Manufacturing Maestro of Hyderabad edition was felicitated by Rupesh Paparaju, Managing Director, Bettinelli Automation, and Anirudh Ravi, Director, Fenwick and Ravi.
It is a wonderful journey for us. Thank you very much for giving the opportunity, Mr. Hari. Thank you.
But I've seen growing up everything about his company, from a little heat treatment shop to what it is today. So very proud to come back actually to Hyderabad and to be working with Dad and my brother. So it's very honoring thing to do company to company.
Hari has really done a lot of work to identify and recognize the manufacturing maestros. And he has created a momentum. Now it is our job to make it a movement. Right? I believe that we all have to drive together whatever vision that is stated by the government, maybe 5 trillion, 10 trillion. I believe more than that, we have to all contribute and come together to achieve this mission.
I'm very glad to share the stage with you. For me, personal connection with Sai Deepa is, I do not know sir, and seeing him for the first time, I've got a lot of goosebumps standing at the back and listening to your story. Very inspirational. Thank you.
I want to really appreciate for the recognition that Machine Maker is doing for all the manufacturing legends which are part of Indian industry, which are taking industry to the next level. I want to thank Hari and the entire Machine Maker for making this most successful event today.